The Draw Inside mode allows you to draw inside a selected object. To create a clipping mask using the Draw Inside mode, I'll click to select the circle shape within which I want to draw. I'll switch from the default Normal mode to the Draw Inside mode from the Tools panel, or use the keyboard shortcut to cycle through those. Now, the Draw Inside mode is active, indicated by the dotted line brackets. In this case, I will place my profile photo of 1:1 aspect ratio. I will disable all options below and then click to place. Now all I have to do is click and drag to place the photo inside the circle shape. Notice inside the Layers panel we have a clip group, eliminating the need to create a clipping mask. I can also target the ellipse shape inside the Layers panel and add a stroke with the color of my choice from the Swatches panel. To exit the Draw Inside mode from the Tools panel, I'll click and hold to get to the default drawing mode.